Hi everyone and welcome back to your channel Simple and Easy English. Today we are going to see the different parts of speech in English. In English there are 8 parts of speech: a verb, a noun, adjective, adverb, pronoun, interjection, conjunction, and preposition. And all these parts are very important to construct a grammatical sentence, phrases, or a grammatical speech. The first one, the verb. The verb describes an action or experience. For example, run, walk, push, eat. More examples of the verb. Sophie ran to school because she was late. The verb is run. One more example. John loves to bake cookies. The verb is to bake. The second part of a sentence is the noun. So the noun names a person or a place, things, or ideas. For example, a house, teacher, cup, shop. More examples of the noun. My teacher is a very nice person. The noun is the teacher. Amy will go on holiday to China. The noun is in this sentence is Amy. The next part is adjective. An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, short, beautiful, red, old. For example, Fatima has a huge house with 6 bedrooms. The adjective in this sentence is huge because it describes Fatima's house. Next, the adverb. The adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. It tells us how often, how, where, or when. For example, slowly, yesterday, always. Some examples of the adverb. Sophie is always late for school. The adverb in this sentence is always, but it is important to note as well that late is an adverb and an adjective at the same time. Last night I slept really well. The adverb in this sentence is last night. The other pattern or the other part of the speech is the pronoun. The pronoun replaces the name of a person, place, thing, or idea in a sentence. For example, I, she, our, they, it. More examples of the pronoun. You can visit the shopping center at 1 o'clock. So the pronoun in this sentence is you. Mark is a very nice friend. She always helps me with my homework. The pronoun in this sentence is she. Next, interjection. The interjection expresses strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation mark like woo, oh. For example, woo, the view is amazing. Oh, I haven't seen you a long time. So the interjection expression is oh, woo. Conjunction. The conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses in a sentence. For example, and, but, although, or. Examples of the conjunction. I like to watch the TV and eat popcorn. The conjunction here is and. My friend is very loud, whereas I am very quiet. So the conjunction in this example is whereas. Preposition. The preposition describes the place, time, or direction. It is used before a noun or pronoun, like under, above, in, during. Examples: the cat jumped over the box. The preposition in this example is over. Get into the car quickly before we are late to school. So the preposition in this example is into. Thanks for watching and see you next video.